안녕하세요. 안녕? 안녕하세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕? 잘 가. 잘 있어. 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my Korean class. Today we will learn how people greet each other in Korea and what expressions Koreans use when meeting and leaving. So let's learn Korean culture together in an easy way. Lesson 1. Culture 1. 어떻게 인사할까요? 어떻게 인사할까요? How should we greet each other? How should we greet each other? In Korea, people slightly bow to one another and say 안녕하세요, which means hi, hello, or good morning, good afternoon, good evening. When friends greet each other, they say 안녕, which means hello, whether it is in the morning, afternoon, or evening. People greet each other with 안녕하세요, but it doesn't recognize time of day. When it is time to leave, people either say 안녕히 가세요 or 안녕히 계세요, which means goodbye or literally go well or stay well. To friends, people can say 안녕, but also say 잘 가 or 잘 있어 as well. Okay, so please repeat after me. First one, in Korea, people often slightly bow when greeting. This is a polite Korean habit. When you meet someone, you say 안녕하세요, meaning hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Korean does not change the greeting depending on time of day. One expression covers everything. Number 2, greeting between friends. Between close friends, people say 안녕, meaning hi, casual, friendly. This is you with classmate, close friends, younger people. Number 3, saying goodbye. When someone is leaving, you say 안녕히 가세요, go safely, goodbye to the person leaving. When someone stays and you leave, 안녕히 계세요, stay safely, goodbye to the person staying. Number 4, informal goodbye to friends. Between friends, 안녕, bye. 잘 가, go well. 잘 있어, stay well. These are friendly and informal. So, Korean greetings show respect, politeness, group harmony. Even a small bow shows good manners. 잘했습니다. Great job today. Now you learn how Koreans greet each other politely and casually. If you enjoyed this lesson, please press like, share and subscribe for more Korean lessons. And in the comment box, right? How do people greet in your country? For example, in my country, we shake hands. In my country, we bow too. 오늘은 여기까지입니다. 다음 시간에 또 만나요. That's all for today. See you in the next video, next lesson. Bye bye.